HotMamaTravel! So Kevin really wanted a picture in front of this Jasper monument in Madison Square, but I wanted to show you real quick before that. This is the Madison Square Garden.
So for today we are walking around Savannah with our beer. We're just going to take ourselves on a little bit of a city sightseeing tour of our own and see some of the historic sites. That's what we're doing today. We're just going to try and see as 10,000 steps of Savannah. Yeah?
Keely, how you don't like 10,000 steps? Honey, how's the weather right now?
It is not that bad. It is not anymore.
We just started, Keely. You better shape up, girl. So now we're in Telfair Square. There's not too much going on here, but it's shady. So we're gonna keep walking on our tour.
We're in Madison Square right now, and behind me is, I can't remember the name of the house. Sorrel.
It's a haunted house. The Sorrel House?
Sorrel Weed House. Behind me is the Sorrel Weed House. And here is a statue commemorating Jasper.
Keely, Kevin.
Video.
Keely, Kevin. What do you guys think? Would you like to go in that?
Yes.
Right now? Isn't it hot?
Right now. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna check.
Pretty. Oh, that was cute.
Oh. Your feeling and what we just did.
This place is horrible. Never come here. Stupid and haunted.
Okay.
It's so hot.
Is that a place? Yes.
Well, I'd say it's not as bad as she pronounced it, but it is hot and sticky, so don't come here for the summer. Come here any cold day.
Keely, what are you crying about? We're here and they have vanilla ice cream.
Well, we still hate you guys. I'm sure now it's too cold because I ate too much ice cream.
We finally found a place to get you guys some ice cream.
And now I'm feeling too cold.
You cooled off now so we can walk in the sun a little bit more?
Still not cool enough to walk in the sun.
At least there's a lot of trees in Savannah, huh?
At
There's
least
a lot of
there's still
trees.
caramel. Let me just do this.
Hi, we're at Hitch in Savannah, cooling off.
Hitch.
I'm drinking the southbound honey wheat.
Turn the camera over here.
Oh, don't get messy.
Are you guys happy now that you got your ice
How you doing?
So, did you guys go there yet?
Yeah.
We took pictures of it, yeah. It's really pretty. Did a tour of the house from the Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil, that movie. That they have some amazing art pieces in there.
Okay.
I was like blown away.
We are on a pedicab.
Is Charleston next on the list?
Yes.
Ah. It's usually the before or after, you know?
They're
It's this. They're pedaling. They're pedaling, and it's a cab that takes us where we want to go. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm like, whoa, we're about to die.
Oh, wait, good.
At least we got it on video.
Yeah, oh no.
Okay, so we are currently in the Art House of built in 1734. It's the oldest house in Georgia, and apparently it's really haunted. So we are having dinner in a very special room, and he's our ghost communicator. So we'll see if we get any activity while we're enjoying our meals.
This house is located in the Pirate House.
This is a free place to get free lollipops in the treasure
Haunted
chest.
room.
Oh, and Daddy.
This is a free place to get lollipops in the treasure chest.
Yeah, treasure box full of lollipops.
Yeah.
Everyone on YouTube wants to know, where do I find free lollipops?
At the Pirate House.
Mom, it's getting really hot. Do you think I'm your mommy? Charlie, did your mommy die and you don't have her, so you need Tilly to treat you like a mommy? I'm pretty sure. Tell the truth. Charlie. I'm pretty sure it's also when you died because he was like born in the 1900s.
What I'd like to do is give you a little synopsis of the history of this structure now. It is made up of several different buildings. They all have a different history to them. The oldest house in Georgia, and from there we will walk around and we'll go to the tunnel. We'll talk about tunnels under the city of Savannah, and from that tunnel we'll go to the original pirate house, talk about the rum cellar and pirates, of course. You can see it that it looks down pretty low. That's 9 feet down. What you're looking down in is a small section of a very long tunnel that runs from the river all the way to Liberty Street, 3/4 of a mile long. It was built in the year 1734 when the city was founded. Now this tunnel was lined with brick, and they used carts to go in and out to load and unload their ship. And it was a very popular tunnel, not only with the people here who lived in the city, but the military. There was a fort that sat at the point up here called Fort Provost for the British, Fort Wayne for the Americans after the Revolutionary War. Down there is the bar where they could get a good stiff drink, primarily of rum. That was the beverage of choice. But yes, there was a passageway from here that would lead you to the tunnel. Now they would have taken the barrels of rum off the ship through that passageway to accommodate the inn. But sailors were also free to come and go as they wished through that tunnel to get to their ships.
So we just took a tour and we had dinner at the oldest house in this place, Georgia.
How'd you like the Pirate House?
Really good. Just by Kevin cried because one of the comments on the ghost provider said bring him, and he was the only one by a tunnel. Did you know there was a store there and I bought a moon ring? It tells how you're feeling. Black means
how are
you're
you
stressed,
feeling?
and purple. What does that mean?
Okay, now, what's the name of this cemetery?
This is the Colonial Cemetery. How old is that? That is so cool.
Wow, some of these are here since the 1700s. Woo!
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.